If Yahoo Mail is loading slowly or not loading at all in Chrome, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through a few simple fixes that usually solve the problem fast. Whether the page is stuck on a blank screen, keeps spinning, or just refuses to open properly, these steps can help you get back into your inbox without wasting time. And before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Let's start with the easiest fix first. Refresh the Yahoo Mail page. Sometimes the issue is temporary and a simple refresh is all it takes. You can click the refresh button in Chrome or use the keyboard shortcut to reload the page. If Yahoo Mail still won't load, don't move on too quickly. First, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can stop Yahoo Mail from loading properly even if other websites seem to work. Try opening another website to see if your connection is stable. If needed, restart your router or switch to a stronger network. Now, if the page still won't load, the next thing to do is clear Chrome cache and cookies. Over time, stored browsing data can become corrupted or outdated, and that can interfere with Yahoo Mail. To do this, open Chrome settings, go to Privacy and Security, and find the option to clear browsing data. Make sure you select cache and cookies, then clear them. After that, close Chrome completely and reopen it before trying Yahoo Mail again. This step often fixes loading issues caused by broken saved data. If Yahoo Mail is still giving you trouble, the next thing to check is browser extensions. Some extensions can interfere with websites, especially email services that rely on scripts and login sessions. Try disabling your extensions one by one, then reload Yahoo Mail to see if the problem goes away. If you want a quicker test, you can temporarily turn off all extensions and check whether Yahoo Mail loads normally. If it does, one of your extensions is likely causing the issue. Another very useful test is opening Yahoo Mail in Incognito mode. Incognito mode starts Chrome with a cleaner session and usually disables most extensions automatically. This makes it a great way to find out whether the problem is related to cached data, extensions, or your regular browser profile. Open a new Incognito window, sign in to Yahoo Mail, and see if it loads correctly. If it works in Incognito mode but not in a regular window, then the issue is most likely with Chrome settings, extensions, or stored data rather than Yahoo Mail itself. If you've tried all of these steps and Yahoo Mail still won't load, you may want to restart Chrome completely, update your browser, or try another browser temporarily to confirm whether the issue is specific to Chrome. But in most cases, one of the 4 fixes we covered today will get Yahoo Mail working again. So to recap, refresh the page, check your internet connection, clear Chrome cache and cookies, disable extensions, and test Yahoo Mail in Incognito mode. These are the fastest and most effective ways to fix the loading problem in Chrome. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and leave a comment if you want me to cover more Yahoo Mail or Chrome troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.